Hey everyone, Jonathan here from Geyser Systems. I'm excited to announce a new product that we just launched called the Geyser Clean Kit. It's adaptable with a Nalgene bottle, your nomadic go jug, but what's crazy about this product is it turns your Nalgene bottle into a 4-minute shower. Let me show you how it works real quick. First step, connect it to any cell phone charger. Turns this into a 2.5 hour shower. Turn this valve, and then like the Geyser system, you make the most of every drop of water by sending it through a sponge instead of a shower head that's blowing and wasting water everywhere. By the way, this Geyser Clean Kit has 2 different style of adapters. It comes with 2 ways to connect it to 2 different kinds of water bottles. You can connect this wide mouth on the Nalgene or your nomadic go jug. You can also connect it to any standard water bottle. And if you happen to have a really wide mouth lid, this little lip right here can allow you to put your inlet tube just like that. They also come with 3 different color sponges, so we know whose is whose. Mine is blue, yours is green, the gray one for the dishes. And that is, ladies and gentlemen, the most energy efficient and compact way to make the most of every drop of water at your base camp. If you want to find out more, simply go to geysersystems.com, or you can also go to Medical Points Abroad and find out more on their website as well.